In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Krea AI Realtime. We'll walk through the essentials from landing on the site to creating and adjusting visuals in real time so you can get from idea to image quickly and confidently. Start by heading to the Krea website. This is the home of their creative suite for images, video, and 3D, and it's where you'll access the real-time workspace. Once the page loads, look for the login button. Click that to authenticate and unlock the app features. On the login modal, choose Continue with Google. This is the fastest way to get in without managing a new password. When the Google account chooser appears, select the account you want to use and approve any prompts so Krea can link your profile. In a moment, you'll be redirected into the app. Inside the interface, find and click Realtime. This opens a live canvas where Krea responds instantly to your inputs. In the prompt field, type a clear description of what you want. Think subject, style, lighting, and mood. The more specific you are, the easier it is for the model to match your vision. You can always tweak phrasing and watch changes happen immediately. If you want to compare different generations or styles, click Show Legacy Models. These are earlier model versions that can produce distinct looks or handle certain prompts differently. It's a great way to explore variations without rewriting your idea. Next, click Draw. This activates a sketch layer that lets you guide composition with simple strokes. Even rough doodles help the system understand layout, motion, or emphasis. Keep strokes minimal and purposeful so the model focuses on your intent rather than overfitting to a messy sketch. Set the aspect ratio by choosing 1.01. A square canvas is versatile for social posts, thumbnails, and mood boards, and it keeps framing consistent as you iterate. Need inspiration or a quick starting point? Click Examples. This loads curated setups you can apply instantly, which is perfect for learning good prompt structure or testing features without starting from scratch. From the examples, choose a 3D option. Realtime can visualize 3D style outputs, giving you depth and form right on the canvas. After it loads, adjust the 3D image using the available controls. Refine the prompt, toggle settings, or nudge the composition until it feels right. Small, gradual changes often yield the best results. When you're happy, drag and drop the result anywhere it's accepted. Reposition it within the canvas, place it into your layout, or move it into a compatible workspace to keep creating. That's it. You've just used Krea AI Realtime to go from prompt to polished visual with full control along the way.